clearly there's an opportunity in technology. There's opportunities, as you were saying, in agriculture, in finance, a lot of pent-up demand. But I think a lot of people in the audience will also be concerned about the policy environment at the moment. Perhaps there's questions about clarity, whether it's FX policy, other aspects of industrial policy. I wonder what message you have for people here who are waiting to get back into Nigeria, who think it's a great buying opportunity, but are just a little bit concerned about navigating that environment.
Agriculture is very clear what's happening in agriculture. We're investing a lot in agriculture in the Sovereign Wealth Fund in Nigeria, and we've done that two ways. One is direct investments ourselves, and the second is we've created a co-investment fund with a South African-based company backed by Old Mutual. We put in $25 million, they put in 25, and we're raising 150, so that's $200 million fund to invest in agriculture in the country. It's amazing what there is to do. In tractors, for example, I think the country has something less than 5,000 tractors for the size of the country, right? So just think about what opportunity that is. In terms of use of fertilizer, it's a tenth of Pakistan, right? So one of the things we're working on today is trying to make it easy for farmers to get fertilizer on time, 30% below market through contract blending. And we're doing that successfully. So far, it's started to ramp, and my sense is that you're going to see yields improve. So there's a clarity there. Industrialization, there is also clarity as to what it takes to get into certain sectors. Of course, the oil sector is a little bit confusing for people, and I believe that will be clarified soon. But there are other areas where there is clarity as to what you can do. So I think if you look at again, I want to just address the big elephant in the room, the currency policy.
Sure.
There are two things I'll say to that. One is it will be solved, and I believe if you have medium-term, long-term expectation for investment in the country, you should take advantage of the moment. We've been through this before. I have seen it in Nigeria. I saw it in the 80s. I saw it in the 90s in the country when I was a commercial banker before I left Nigeria. It always finds a way to get resolved.